All right, Camaro fans, here's an extremely original Z28. Going to take a look at today. 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Know quite a bit of the history on this car. Now, this particular car would have started out as a charcoal metallic 84 paint code car. It has had one repaint due to good old GM early mid 80s paint jobs. We all know what those were like. Some of the paint would flake off. Not the best paint quality back then. So it has had one repaint. The jambs were not done. So we'll take a look at the jam when we open up the driver's door, kind of show you that. The jambs were not done, just repainted the car itself, did a nice job on it. The other thing they did when they were doing that is the wheels. Take a look at that. And they have been cleared over, and those are in nice shape. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see some of the things I'm talking about, check out underneath the hood, the interior trunk. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's going to be a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website and the pictures. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Now, a little history on this car. This was a Canadian-built car, and it is still in kilometers. It is an original mile car, original interior car, original engine. I'm going to try to get the stamped numbers off the bottom of the block. It's not on the pad, but it is a 350 on there. The casting number is 1401-0207, which is 350 V8 for 1980 model. And tranny pick for the stamp of the VIN is in the pictures. You'll be able to check that out. Now, as far as the Canadian-built car, it is in kilometers. Shows 62,647 right now. If you convert that to miles, it's going to be 38,927, and that is original. If you want to take a look at the underside picks, I have some close-up picks. This still has the original mufflers on it. You'll be able to see those. You're going to be able to see how they're welded on the way that they would have came from GM. Now, as far as interior, this is also the original interior. This would have been considered Oyster Deluxe cloth. As with some of the 80s cars, we even have just a little slight, tiny burn hole in each one of those seats, but owner did not want to change them because it is original. Take a look at that dash, not cracked. Interior of the car, extremely nice shape considering it's oyster cloth in a 1980 Z28. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation of this, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video. Going to take you right there. Now, show you a couple things over here. We do have the CC1 option on this card. This card does show on the data tag. Be able to see that. So there's your glass T-taps removed. Still the original GM bags that would have came with this. And here is also, there is an extra tack that comes with it. Do not know if that one works for sure. I believe the one in the car works fine. We'll check that out. And then in case you were going to switch this over to miles per hour, or excuse me, to miles from kilometers, there would be your odometer if you wanted to put it in. We left the kilometer odometer in there because you can still see the miles on that inside suite. So I wanted to keep this car original. There's also a little touch-up paint from when this car was repainted in the charcoal metallic. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little bit. I want to show you these door jambs. Real quick also, these are the original gaskets that would have came in this car when it was new. They are not cracked. They're still pliable. They're in nice shape. Take a look at this door jamb. You can see tags were not painted around. You can hardly see a paint line in here anywhere, but I want to let you know the car was repainted once. All right, take a look at these seats. Again, for a light oyster cloth seat, amazing shape. Do have a little discoloration on the sail panels and the back panels like you'll see on these all the time. I do believe they repop those, or you could have these dyed or colored to bring back to original. Again, we're leaving this car the way it is because of the originality of it. Equipment: power steering, power brakes, AC, power windows, AM FM cassette. So nicely equipped car. All right. So you can see there's your kilometers, 62,547. I believe everything was working from what I could see, except for the clock. The clock was not. This would have the turbo 350 automatic transmission in it, paired up with that 350 V8 that it would have came with. And again, take a look at that dash. Not cracked, sun-baked, anything like that. The other thing you probably want to see, headliner. Now it has shrunk slightly, but as far as condition of that headliner, considering once again, it is original, also in nice shape. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. And again, original mufflers on this, and you'll see that in the pictures that I have underneath the car. We have some close-ups where you can still see the tab, you can still see the welding. Look around those muffler picks, you're going to see what I'm talking about. All right, let's slip up to the front of this. I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take me a couple hands to get this hood open, and we'll check out that engine bay, which again is very original, just like the car.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, I clicked the AC on. I wanted to show you that clutch will disengage and engage. There you can hear it. Back on. The AC does blow cold. You are aware of that. And again, you can see how stock this is. Very nice looking engine bay. Cowl induction hood does also work. Power steering, power brakes. Very nice setup. If you're looking for a unmolested 1980 Z28, here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.